New concerns about a police officer with a troubling history of complaints.
It seems to me he fired until he couldn't fire anymore.
He shot a man 11 times. 11. Killed him. Dave Savini investigates next.
Tonight, a federal judge is threatening the city of Chicago with sanctions. This after CBS 2 investigators discovered that Officer Patrick Kelly was involved in a fatal on-duty shooting, and the city did not turn that information over to lawyers suing Kelly for misconduct. Dave Savini has more on his ongoing investigation into Kelly's troubled past.
Where he was just standing here in this corner.
Esperanza Davila says this is where her boyfriend Hector Hernandez was shot to death in 2014 by police.
I don't like going back to that day.
Shortly after he took this selfie with their son, police were called to break up an argument the couple was having. IPRA records say after police arrived, he was threatening to kill himself with a knife. 2 officers fired 21 shots. 13 hit Hernandez. So all the family members are in this room.
Yes.
Yet they're firing bullets this way. Boom, 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 boom. They could have hit somebody in here.
Yep.
IPRA records say Hernandez lunged at police with the knife. One officer, Patrick Kelly, reported firing 11 times until his gun jammed.
He fired until he couldn't fire anymore.
Lawyers Jeffrey Granick and Antonio Romanucci are each suing the city for different cases involving Kelly. Both say they were not told Kelly shot Hernandez until the 2 investigators uncovered it, because they say the city didn't disclose it.
Whether or not somebody is covering up for Patrick Kelly, that certainly is the appearance that's going on here.
Kelly joined the force in 2004. Records we obtained show complaints against him began piling up the very next year. At least 15 complaints and 5 filed lawsuits in 12 years, including a 2005 allegation that he attacked his girlfriend, leaving her with bruises and in need of stitches. Court records say he was not charged and never disciplined for it by the police department. Patrick, I have a few questions about Michael Laporta. Kelly here in 2014 declined to comment about what happened to his friend Mike Laporta in 2010. A night of heavy drinking ended with Laporta being shot in the head. Kelly's police gun was the weapon. It was returned to him before Laporta's attorney, Romanucci, could have it tested.
The gun that was used in the Michael Laporta shooting never should have been turned over to Patrick Kelly, who we are accusing of being the shooter.
Patrick, we just want to talk to you. Pat.
Call my attorney.
Kelly also is being sued for wrongfully tasering Elena Turner in 2013, who was pregnant. And then you had a miscarriage?
Yes. A couple days later.
Turner's attorney, Granick, now wants every record released involving the Hernandez shooting.
And he's still on the streets?
Because of our CBS 2 findings, a spokesperson from the city law department tells us they are investigating why the existence of these documents was not discovered and disclosed sooner. If we find that such failure was intentional or negligent, we will take appropriate disciplinary action. CPD says Kelly is now on medical leave and they have a zero-tolerance policy for any proven misconduct. Police also say they are re-examining the Laporta shooting.
All right. Dave, thank you.